Welcome back. So today we'll be talking about lab 3B, which is managing Azure resources using ARM templates. So if we talk about ARM templates are the form of infrastructure as code, a concept where you define the infrastructure that needs to be deployed. So ARM templates use declarative syntax, meaning you define the resource for Azure to deploy without specifying how the resources are created. So we have deployed some other resources in the previous lab using the ARM template, but in this case we will be deploying the disk. So for that, let's go to the Azure portal, and here let's go to the resource group. So I already deleted one of the resource group in the previous lab, so even they are using the same resource group here. So let me create the same resource group in this case. So let me paste that resource group. So everything is okay. So we have created the resource, and now let's download the templates from the GitHub. So if we go back here, I already have the file, so let me open that first. So it's inside 03. Oh shit, it's different one. Okay, so affiliates labs, it's under 03. Yeah, it's under 03, and we have two files here, which is one is a template, another one is the parameters. So we'll be using these files and upload it. So here we have to search for deploy a custom template. Click that, and if you see the option here, we have build your own template in the editor. Click that, and let's edit the template. So here if we load the file, let's go to that location, which is 03, and we have to upload the template. Done. So you can read more about this the JSON file. So once you click it, make sure you save it. So once it is done, now we have to edit the parameters. So click that and load the parameters file, which is the first one. So it's done. Let's save this as well. And if you go back here, let's select that resource which we have created. You can also create here by just giving the name. However, we already created, so I'm not creating it. So East US, and coming to the disk name, let me add the disk name here according to the docs, and location would be the East US, and it will be standard LRS 32, and everything is default, and disk encryption would be encryption at rest with platform key, which is the default one, so we just leave it. And I think everything is pretty good to go. Let's go now. Let's go ahead and review and create. Validation has been passed. Great. So once it is done, we'll review the ARM templates based deployment of managed this. So if I go back to the resources, meanwhile, this is the resource group, and if we go to the deployments, you can see it has been created, so the status is succeeded, and you can click it and read the more information about it and the relevant events, which takes back to activity log, and you can view those logs. So hope you guys have understood the concept here. So if you like the video, please click the link below, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.